I'm trying to pull it.
Oh, they still have to cut it. They just want it tight.
Why do they still have to cut it, Grandpa?
To make it go. To make it fall.
To make it fall. It's not falling. Are they trying to pull it?
They just want a really tight.
Alright, Mommy?
Hmm?
No.
On paper.
Oh,
Like
cute.
that is my haircut?
Nana, your hair looks a little fuzzy.
It doesn't.
Why does it look fuzzy?
Brady, you're gonna miss the tree. You're gonna miss the tree.
Oh
Watch.
shit. Hey Philip, where's it gonna fall? Look at Steve is outside.
I know they warned him. Oh, there it goes.
Oh shit.
Oh.
Oh my
You better
God.
know what he's doing. Oh yeah.
Oh. You think it's taller than it is, eh?
Yeah.
I thought it's gonna hit his boat at least.
Yeah. Oh my god, we have a lot of sun there now.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we got the lawn's gonna get nicer there.
Yeah. Well, yeah, the sun kills it here.
No, well, it kills it here because it's not getting the tree's taking too much water.
Oh yeah, yeah.
That's what it is.
Yeah, yeah.
The tree's taking all the water around and it's drying up.